33 divided by 3 in bracket 9 plus 2 bracket complete. It means that we need to perform all the operations step by step in order from top to bottom. Use the rule of. We should start with the parentheses. Parentheses have the highest priority over all other operations. We do the addition between 9 and 2 is equal to 33 divided by 3 times 11. We must start from the left and move toward the right. Perform these operations in order. We do the division between 33 and 3. 11 times 11. We do the multiplication between 11 and 11 is equal to 121. 121 is the correct answer. Write your correct answer in comment. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और कमेंट कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।